Hello guys, today we're at Sandymount station level crossing and the barriers are just coming down, lights are flashing. I wasn't expecting it to come down this early because probably the earliest time that people would be getting the train in the morning would probably be like 8, 7, 8 or 9 o'clock maybe. I don't know. But I think there's going to be a dash passing. I don't know, it might be just like a normal Iron Road Éireann train because it says Iron Road Éireann Irish Rail and it also says Iron Road Éireann Dash. And it has a red and white border. A lot of level crossings in Dublin have the red and white. And none of them in any other counties apart from Wicklow have it, I think, and Northern Ireland and the UK. Because the UK, all the level crossings have these red and white borders on the lights. I don't know if they're even called borders, but it has 2 tracks. And Dummock Thraw, Sandymount. It's a big station. Who puts graffiti? Oh, that. Yeah. Who puts graffiti on the lights? Okay, guys. So don't forget to, if you want, you don't have to, but leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Goodbye.